Hello mga kachingguan, dito kami ngayon guys sa loob ng eroplano. Ayan, sobrang alog ng eroplano. Oh, turbulence. Ayan guys, kasama ko ang malulupit. Ano to, mga singer ba to? Guys, may pupuntahan kaming kumbate. Maalog, grabing turbulence na to. Nasa loob kami ng aeroplano guys. Philippine Airlines ito. Ito yung seatbelt. Seatbelt kayo dyan. Ayan o. Grabing ulap na to. Ayan. Ayan. Shout out kay Nilda. Ayan. Pinsan ko. Ayan guys, ang aming malupit na piloto. Shout out sa lahat ng piloto dyan. Ayan. Ayan. Ilang miles na ba yung liliparin namin? Uy, 1,600 pa miles, layo pa pala. Kaya pala ang daming ulap. Oh, yung third officer na piloto din, andyan. Ayan, no? Uy, naku guys, bababa na kami. Uy, saan na ba kami, be? Tingnan natin. Ano ba yan? Uy, Mahaplag Airport. Ayan, nahuli. Ayan, si Dunya Pasita. Dunya Agata. Sus, ang among stewardess lagi panggutom nami. Asa ra among pagkaon? Panggutom nami oy, gani harami gigutom. Wa bay kape diha. Ayan guys, silang duha stewardess na sila. Hi sa ating lahat, kumusta po kayo dyan? At ngayon guys, andito po ako sa welcome to Southern Leyte. Yes, nakarating na ako ng Southern Leyte guys. Ayan na. Napakalupit talaga ng Southern Leyte guys dahil na-amaze ako. Ang tataas ng mga bundok, ang daming river, tsaka guys, ang daming nyug. As in, lilingon ka, ang dami talagang nyug guys. Kalibutan sila ng nyug. Napakataas itong tulay na to guys. At sobrang lalim.
Green-eyed and bright at 18, a face from mainstream, a walking daydream. They scream, sweet life of peaches and cream. No doubt I'm wishing it was me. Thigh highs and vintage mom jeans, a nighttime routine. I know I've seen this scene. Sweet life like on the big screen. No doubt I'm wishing it was me. I wanna put you on a pedestal, eat you like a cannibal. Baby, it's chemical, but I wanna keep you like a fucking collectible. How are you? How are you? And the way she moves is incredible. The glamorous spectacle, you know it's terrible. 'Cause I used to watch the world burn. Lately I'm watching her. Fresh faced and right for schedule, too hard to handle when I.
So ayan guys, pagkalakpas namin ng Mahaplag, warak si gulong. Ang dami kasi namin kinaing lechon. May lechong baka, may lechong baboy. Kaya ilan kami lahat sakay? 10. Sobrang bigat na, warak si gulong. Layo-layo pa tayo. Ngayon, ito guys. Yan. Palit na yun ang gulong. Yan guys. Mag-mekaniko tayo ngayon. Ha? Yan guys. Otol. ayan na. Warak si gulong.
Give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you could listen now. You're closest to that I gotta be right now.
Taas, uy, lahom pa, Jud. Tara, halata ka ito sa ibaw nga landslide, oh, tara. Sama niya agas-agas bridge. At, ito pa sila, oh.
Ang namin niya, kamana po.